hope this moment finds you in wonderful health and a truly peaceful spirit. It's so lovely to have you back at Green Home Living. Today, we're exploring the magic of the second act. Join us for creative upcycled garden decor with vintage charm. We're going to show you how a rusted iron gate, a chipped enamel pitcher, or even an old pair of boots can bring more soul to a garden than anything brand new. Let's discover the beauty in the forgotten together. Imagine a collection of old white and blue enamel pitchers and basins sitting on a weathered garden table. Each chip in the paint reveals a layer of history, a reminder of family meals and busy farmhouse kitchens. Now, they hold the soft silver green of sage or the vibrant pop of red geraniums. The cool, smooth surface of the enamel provides a striking contrast to the organic textures of the plants, creating a display that feels both clean and deeply nostalgic, as if the kitchen has simply decided to move outdoors for the season. There is a profound sense of romance in a gate that no longer leads to a fence. Imagine a heavy, rusted iron gate leaning against a brick wall, its intricate scrolls and curves providing a sturdy skeleton for climbing roses or clematis. It acts as a structural whisper, a reminder of boundaries that have faded away to make room for nature. As the vines wrap themselves around the cold metal, the gate becomes a living wall, turning a flat vertical surface into a three-dimensional masterpiece of vintage charm. An old bicycle suggests a journey that has reached its most peaceful destination. Imagine a vintage frame, perhaps in a faded teal or a soft cream, nestled into a flower bed. The front basket is overflowing with a chaotic, joyful mix of cascading lobelia and petunias, while the rear rack holds a small crate of lavender. It brings a sense of motion and playfulness to the garden, a whimsical reminder to slow down and enjoy the ride, proving that the best adventures often end in a quiet, sun-drenched corner. A garden should appeal to more than just the eyes. Imagine a collection of mismatched silver spoons and forks, their patterns ornate and varied, dangling from a piece of weathered driftwood. When the wind moves through your oasis, these upcycled treasures produce a soft, melodic tinkle that sounds like a quiet celebration from another era. It's a gentle, rhythmic way to bring the spirit of the dining room into the fresh air, adding a soulful, auditory layer to your morning coffee. An old wooden window sash, with its glass long gone and its paint gently crackling, acts as a portal to a secret world. When mounted on a plain garden fence, it tricks the eye into seeing depth where there is none. Imagine it framing a particularly beautiful patch of foxgloves or a bird bath. It turns a functional boundary into a series of living portraits, allowing you to view your garden through a lens of history and architectural grace, making the space feel expansive and mysterious. There is a rugged, hardworking beauty in an old wooden stepladder. Its rungs might still bear the splatters of paint from years of home renovations, but now it acts as a tiered stage for your favorite blooms. Imagine a forest of terracotta pots, herbs on the bottom, spilling ivy in the middle, and a single, proud, sun-loving flower on top. It allows you to grow a garden in a tiny footprint, adding height and a sense of organized chaos that feels grounded and honest. The delicate elegance of a vintage tea set finds a whimsical new purpose in the branches of an oak tree. Imagine a mismatched saucer and cup, glued together and hung by a sturdy ribbon, filled with sunflower seeds for the local finches. It brings a touch of Alice in Wonderland magic to the garden. The fine porcelain, with its faded floral patterns and gold rims, glints in the sunlight, turning the act of bird feeding into a refined, outdoor tea party that delights both the wildlife and the gardener. There is an honest, utilitarian charm in the matte gray finish of a galvanized bucket. When lined up along a porch railing or a stone path, they provide a sturdy, unified look for a kitchen herb garden. Imagine the silvery leaves of thyme and the bright green of mint spilling over the cold, metal edges. The metal reflects the heat and protects the roots, while the farm-to-table aesthetic brings a sense of resilient, productive beauty to your outdoor sanctuary. As the soft evening light catches the patina of our upcycled treasures, we're reminded that the most beautiful things often have a past. A garden is a living promise that everything can bloom again if given the right home. We hope these images inspired you to look at the clutter in your own life with new, creative eyes. Until next time, may your home always be a place of profound peace and simple, natural grace.